Alright, welcome to construction in the park. I mean, springtime in the park. So Hersheypark is constructing a new entrance, and I think it's gonna be cool when it's done, but I'm kind of curious to see how crazy it is at the entrance.
Do we go in the old entrance now?
Yeah, I'm not sure. So this is the first time we've been here since they demoed all the original entrance and stuff like that. So it may be weird. I know they moved like the ticketing booth. We'll get it all up to speed. They moved the tram circle. There's a new tram stop. But obviously it's not all due to be done until next year. So I think this year is going to be a little bit of a cluster. Alright, so we are directly across from Hershey's Chocolate World, and we thought we'd show you guys how open it is. Like, I don't know if you're not familiar, like there just used to be trees and everything kind of, now you can see right on through to Sky Rush. It's actually really, really bizarre. But this is the new tram stop. And just behind the tram stop, they planted a new Hershey sign in the which is kind of cool. Is this a tram pulling up now? It has all three people on it. We were just commenting when we were parking that the parking lot was full for the season pass holders, but the regular parking was completely empty. Oh, okay, so they let off over there and pick up over here. That's pretty smart, I guess.
All the trees that used to have like the Hersheypark After Dark lights and the Christmas Candyland lights, they're
I didn't
gone.
even think about that. That's kind of sad.
It is kind of sad.
So far, I really like all the planters they put in. Looks good. And copyright, here we go. We always get copyright claimed at Hershey. They move the measuring things out here so you can still do it. It's really interesting as you're walking in. They have these little mobile stores, and I don't know. It's kind of fascinating. Oh yeah, here's a mobile bathroom.
We were talking about Dunkin' Donuts. They have room.
Emily was just hating on Dunkin', so she's not allowed to go there. And you can get some Hersheypark Pride shirts.
It's really weird to see it all gone.
I know, it's actually kind of sad that all of the trees are gone. Like, it feels really bizarre. Sorry guys, this is going to be a lot of us walking footage and me talking, but it's so different in here. Like, super, super bizarre. They have fence on each side of the walkway.
When did they start tearing stuff down?
As soon as the park closed for the season last year, they started demo.
So, like during Christmas time or before Christmas time?
No, right after Christmas.
So all of this stuff happened between now and
Yeah.
April? Wow. Or January and April.
Alright, you guys can see they have built a new bridge, and they're trying to contain the old creek with pumps and all that. It's kind of crazy in here. It just looks like a war zone over there. It's so bizarre to see the backside of Sky Rush like this. Oh man, this place is just a mess. Should be cool when it's all done. Alright, you guys want to ride something?
Quick. I feel like if they're going to get this all done by next April.
Oh, I imagine most of it will be done. They got a brand new roller coaster to get in here too. But as you can see, they have supports for it already done. Alright, so this is behind the new entrance. Obviously, it's a temporary entrance, but I actually think it went way quicker with the people just standing there to scan your pass. But we thought it was really bizarre as this used to be a really steep hill walking into the main park entrance, and they kind of got rid of that elevation change. So you kind of walk in on the same level as the kettle corn place, which is really bizarre. Oh, I see. Feed the birds. I feel like I haven't sang on the vlog in a while. Madison definitely hasn't. Do you guys recognize Madison? She hasn't been in a video. It's the carousel.
Carousel of progress.
This line isn't making any progress. Your dad's funny. Just ask him.
So we always play this game when we ride the carousel. Like, whose horse can stop the highest up? So we'll see who wins.
It's gonna be mine. Where Justin wins. I think Madison wins. If you guys are new to this channel, I am Justin.
I'm Emily.
And Madison is 2 cars up because 3 of us can't fit in this bench seat. But we are Gem Sessions with a Z. Because we're cool. Too cool for school.
That's right.
We're going backwards.
I think I picked the wrong side.
I think this is like one of the only monorails at a theme park left. I feel like they should extend it over to the Hershey Hotel.
You know, one day we should actually stay there.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
Maybe in the summertime.
Yeah. Hey, Happy. Happy Teenager, that's her nickname. And there's the seals. Look how high that is.
So no visit to Hersheypark would be complete without Tower Fries.
Alright, so no theme park visit would be complete without some trash can dining. What?
You stole my line.
Did I? You said what?
I said no. Well, I guess I said no visit to Hersheypark would be complete.
Oh, did you?
Uh-huh. Break my single eye.
How are the fries?
Good.
Very crispy. With like just the right amount of hardness and softness.
So what'd you get?
Alright, so I got the beer bratwurst with peppers and onions. And what'd you get, Madison?
I got a smoked andouille.
Andouille sausage.
To L4.
Cheers. You got a chicken pizza.
That's a good smoky flavor.
Sounds good.
Alright, so Emily went all the way to the back of the park to get her jalapeno cheese things, and Madison and I said, we'll wait here, because we were literally on our way out. She thought it was at the Founders Kitchen, but it's not. It's at the Overlook over by the Triple Tower. I know. Epic fail. She says the app said Founders Hall. I'm getting ready to check.
Blind eyes.
I say it's blind eyes too. All right, so what you got?
I got some cheese curds. Let me tell you about what
We briefly told them why you were gone.
Okay.
So Emily treks all the way to the back of the park, and they still don't have them at the Overlook.
They're
So
like, the only place that sells them is the Seaside Grill. That's not open until Monorail.
So she basically had to schlop all the way back to Founder's Kitchen and get the cheese curds.
I earned these.
I hope they're good. Is it done enough?
They're under a lamp, right?
Okay.
So it's not like they're fresh.
Squishy.
Right? They're not bad though.
Cheers. Alright, so it wouldn't be a Hersheypark day without some soft serve. Go.
Can I eat it?
Yep. How it be.
Very good.
I'll eat it all. Alright, thanks for joining us on another fun day at Hersheypark, or at least fun for us. Hopefully we made it fun for you guys. It was a perfect day, not too hot, not too cold. It was a little chilly when we first got here, but springtime in the park is normally a little colder, and the trees and stuff aren't fully bloomed yet, so where was I going with that? I don't know.
It was a nice day.
Yeah, we got lucky. It ended up being a really nice day. The entrance is weird. If you're used to coming to Hersheypark a lot like we are, and you haven't seen it yet, like, it is really stark, barren, I guess we'll call it.
Well, you end up somewhere that you didn't think you would be once you got through the gate. Like, you ended up halfway up Founder's Way.
Yeah, it's really
Pretty
bizarre. Really, really bizarre. But on that note, we are gonna cut you loose. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Boop. Justin getting his slow-mo. Every time I say slow-mo, I think of Wedding Crashers and the scene where they're at the wedding and the guy pretends to have a disability. Shlomo or something like that is what his name is. And he does the crab cake thing. Do you know what the crab cake thing is? It's like he's walking and he runs off. You don't remember?
Oh, is it the...
Yeah, the hand. Yes. You want crab cakes? Okay, we'll get you crab cakes. Alright guys, this concludes another day at Hersheypark. Springtime in the park.
Yes.
We can start all over again if you want. Ready?
Alright guys, thanks for touch my face. I always touch my face when I'm filming myself.
When I think about
It's a
you, I
nervous
touch my face.
reaction.